Hey Clashers, welcome to my channel. I am NoobG and this is my new video playing with the FIRECRACKER. In this video I am going to show you the advantages and disadvantages about this card and also how I am using it in my new deck. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you really enjoy it. I would start talking about the damage this card has. As you can see how easy it can kill an Infernal Dragon. Also, and this is really important to talk about, is in comparison with the bowler, he has a little bit more range and deals a splash damage that is really sick. And finally, I would call an advantage the recoil that this card has, and that could have saved you from some attacks or spells. I think that's pretty great. On disadvantages, I found two so far. I think she's pretty slow to attack, which is pretty annoying, and also she's pretty weak, so it's easy to kill her. If you want to counter her, use a single spell like arrows, for example, could be a good way. As you could have seen at the very beginning of the video, I showed my luck and it was all about victories using this new card. I faced P.E.K.K.A.s or Golems or also another Hawk Riders decks. This is really effective if you use it with a Nado, for example.